Okay, so let's continue for area. So use the formulas for the shapes you've identified. For rectangles, it's length times width. For other shapes like triangles or circles, for a circular patio, for instance, you would use their specific formulas. Real-world applications. Understanding area and perimeter is crucial for many practical projects. Flooring, to know how much carpet, tile, or hardwood to buy. You need to calculate the area of the room. Painting or wallpapering, to estimate the amount of paint or wallpaper needed. You'll calculate the area of the walls. Don't forget to subtract the area of any windows and doors. Fencing, to determine how much fencing to buy for a garden. You need to calculate the perimeter of the garden. Baseboards or molding, to find out how many linear feet of baseboards or crown molding you need for a room. You'll calculate the perimeter of the room. Practice problems for our quarter 3 measurement and geometry lesson 5. Calculating area and perimeter in residential spaces and layouts. A rectangular bedroom measures 6 meters by 4 meters. What is its area and perimeter? So we are given the length 6 meters, the width 4 meters. We are required to determine the area and perimeter. So our solution formula is A is equals to length times the width. So substitute the given data and our answer is 24 meters squared. For perimeter, our formula is P is equals to 2, then open parenthesis, L plus W, close parenthesis, and then our calculation is 20 meters. Of course, you can also solve that using the formula 2L plus 2W. So the final answer, area is 24 meters squared, and then the perimeter is equal to 20 meters. Number 2, a square garden has a side length of 10 meters. Find its area and perimeter. So we're given the side 10 meters. Required the area and perimeter. So our solution, the formula to get the area is side times side or S squared. So substitute the given 10 meters. The answer is 100 meters squared. For perimeter, the formula is P is equal to 4S, where S is the side. Substitute the given data for the side. So our answer is 4 times 10, and that's equal to 40 meters. Our final answers, area is equal to 100 meters squared, perimeter 40 meters. Practice problem number 3. A rectangular kitchen is 5 meters long and 3 meters wide. Calculate the area and perimeter. So we're given the length 5 meters, the width 3 meters. So we are required to determine the area and perimeter. So solution, area is equal to length times the width. And substituting the given data, our calculated value is 15 meters squared. And then the perimeter, the formula is P is equals to 2 times L plus W or 2L plus 2W. Substituting the given data, the calculated value is 16 meters. So our final answers, area is equals to 15 meters squared and the perimeter 16 meters. Let's proceed to practice problem number 4. A rectangular living room measures 8 meters by 6 meters. Find the area and perimeter. So we're given the length 8 meters, the width 6 meters. So required area and perimeter. So our solution to get the area, use the formula A is equals to length times the width. Substitute the given data, our calculated value is 48 meters squared. And for the perimeter, the formula is P is equals to 2 times L plus W or 2L plus 2W. Substitute now the given data. The calculated value is 28 meters. So our final answers, area is 48 meters squared, perimeter 28 meters. Practice problem number 5. A rectangular floor is 12 meters by 9 meters. What is its area and perimeter? So we're given the length 12 meters with 9 meters. We are required to determine the area and perimeter. So our solution, area is length times the width. Substitute the given data. The calculated value is 108 meters squared. So perimeter, the formula is 2 times L plus W. Substitute the given data. The final answer is 42 meters. The calculated value is 42 meters. Final answers. Area is equal to 108 meters squared. The perimeter is equal to 42 meters. Practice problem number 6. A garden pot is rectangular, measuring 15 meters by 2 meters. Calculate its area and perimeter. So we're given the length 15 meters, width 2 meters. So required area and perimeter. Our solution, A is equals to length times the width. Substitute the given data. The calculated value is 30 meters squared. For perimeter, use the formula 2 times L plus W or 2L plus 2W. And substitute the given data. The calculated value is 34 in meters. So final answers, area is equal to 30 meters squared and then perimeter is equal to 34 meters. Practice problem number 7. A square courtyard has a side of 7 meters. Find its area and perimeter. So we're given the side of the square, 7 meters. So we are required the area and perimeter. Our solution, A is equals to side times side or S squared. Substitute the given data. The calculated value is 49 meters squared. So for the perimeter, it's 4S. And substitute the given data. Our calculated value is 28 meters. So therefore, the final answers are area is equal to 49 meters squared. Perimeter is equal to 28 meters. Practice problem number 8. A room has a length of 4.5 meters and a width of 3.2 meters. Find the area and perimeter. So we're given the length 4.5 meters, the width 3.2 meters, required area and perimeter. So our solution, area is equal to 4.5 times 3.2, that is equal to 14.4 meters squared. So the perimeter, the formula to use is 2 times L plus W or 2L plus 2W. Substitute the given data and the calculated value is 15.4 in meters. So our final answers, the area is equal to 14.4 meters squared, and then the perimeter is 15.4 meters. So number 9, a bathroom is 2.5 meters by 1.8 meters. Calculate the area and perimeter. So we're given the length, 2.5 meters. The width, 1.8 meters. So we are required to determine the area and perimeter. So our solution, to get the area, it is length times the width. Substituting the given data, the answer is 4.5 meters squared. And to calculate for the perimeter, it's P is equals to 2 times L plus W or 2L plus 2W. Substitute now the given data and the calculated value is 8.6 meters. So the final answers are area is equal to 4.5 meters squared and the perimeter is 8.6 meters. Practice problem number 10. A rectangular dining hall measures 10 meters by 8 meters. Find the area and perimeter. So we're given the length, 10 meters, the width, 8 meters, required area and perimeter. So our solution, area is equal to 10 times 8 is equal to 80 meters squared. And then the perimeter is 2 times 10 plus 8 equal to 36 meters. Our final answer, area is equal to 80 meters squared, perimeter 36 meters. And then practice problem number 11. A square play area measures 12 meters on each side. Find the area and perimeter. So we're given the side of the square, 12 meters. So required area and perimeter. Our solution, area is equal to side times side or S squared. The calculated value after substituting the data is 144 meters squared. And the perimeter, the formula is P is equals to 4S. So 4 times 12 is equal to 48 meters. So the final answers are area is equal to 144 meters squared, and then the perimeter is 48 meters. We will have the next part of this quarter 3 measurement and geometry lesson Roman numeral number 5.